Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss new lesson, getting to know plants. Now last class we have already discussed plants and animals are dependent each other. That means plants produce oxygen by the process of photosynthesis and animals consume it for respiration. Okay, so the plants are very important for our survival. So if you are going for a natural walk, you can see that different types of plants. So today in our first topic, we are going to discuss different types of plants. So let us watch the video. We can see a variety of plants existing all around us, and we are dependent on plants for food, oxygen, wood and medicines. We can see some plants are tall and some are short. And do you know body parts of plant? Yes, leaves, flowers, fruits, stem and roots. Plants can be classified into trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. Let us discuss one by one. The first one, tree. They are very tall and they have thick and strong stem. And these stem divided into branches. They have big brown woody stem that is known as trunk, and it need large space for spreading their branches, and it can live for longer time. Examples: coconut tree, neem tree and ashoka tree, and some other examples are mango tree, pine tree and banyan tree. Next one, shrubs. They are short and they have hard, thin stems, and they have branches at the base near the ground. And they not have a single trunk, and it has many thin brown woody stems, and it needs smaller space for spreading their branches, and it live for some years. Examples: rose plant, cotton plant and hibiscus plant. Herbs. They are shorter than shrubs and they have weak, thin and green stems. And these stems sufficiently strong to let the plant stand upright on the ground. And these not have many branches, take very little space for spreading and shorter lifespan. Example: aloe vera, tulasi, wheat, coriander, spinach and paddy. Next one, creepers. They have soft, weak and green stems, and it could not stand on, so it will spread on the ground. Examples are pumpkin and watermelon. And next one is climber. These have soft, weak and green stems, and it has tendrils. These tendrils take the support of surrounding objects and climb up in vertical direction. Examples are bitter gourd, pea plant, bean plant, bottle gourd and bougainvillea. So dear students, we have discussed trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. Now you have one activity. You can see two columns, column A and B. Read it well and match it. After that, please send me the photo. Hope you understood this topic. So there is an activity for you. You have to write names of 2 creepers, 2 climbers, 2 herbs, 2 shrubs and 2 trees that you can see in your surroundings. Okay, thank you.